gain access to all of my videos and materials used in my videos, or even join a class with me to practice your pronunciation and learn new vocabulary, the link is in my bio and also in the description of each video. And now we're going to work on food preparation and recipes. These are words and vocabulary that we used in food preparation and recipes. Recipes is the word. Okay. Number one, cut up. Cut up. Number two, chop up. Chop up. Number three, slice. Slice. Number four, grate. Grate. Number five, peel. Peel. Number six, stir. Stir. Number seven, beat. Beat. Number eight, saute. Saute. Number nine, pour. Pour. Number 10, mix. Mix. Number 11, cook. Cook. 12, bake. Bake. 13, boil. Boil. 14, broil. Broil. Number 15, fry. Fry. Number 16, steam. Steam. Number 17, scramble. Scramble. Number 18, barbecue, grill. Barbecue or grill. 19, stir fry. Stir fry. 20, microwave. Microwave. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead. You can say cut up the vegetables. Cut up the vegetables. Or you can say chop up the vegetables. Chop up the vegetables. Slice some bread. Slice some cheese. Okay. Grate some cheese. Grate some Parmesan. Peel an apple. Peel a potato. Stir the food. Stir the pot. Beat an egg. Beat the batter. Saute the onions. Saute the meat. 9, pour the milk. Pour the juice. Pour the batter. Number 10, mix. Mix the flour with the milk. Mix the batter. Cook. Cook the food. Cook the dish. Cook the meal. Cook the potatoes. Okay, number 12, bake a cake. Bake a roast. Bake a chicken. Broil a chicken. Bake a chicken or broil a chicken. Broil a roast beef. Broil. Broil a chicken also. Broil a steak. Fry some fries. Fry some chicken. Fry some steak. Steam some vegetables. Steam some vegetables. Scramble some eggs. Scramble eggs. Barbecue some chicken. Grill some chicken. Barbecue some steaks. Grill some steaks. Stir fry some vegetables. Stir fry some chicken. Microwave the popcorn. Microwave the tortillas. Okay, I gave you many examples. Okay, in the conversation, the bottom, can I help? Yes, please cut up the vegetables. Okay, very easy. Now, what's your favorite recipe? Give the instructions. Look up your recipe. These instructions are in all recipes. Okay, so let me know if you need any help. Contact me. Can't wait to hear from you. See you in my next video.